In this video, we're going to learn about 3 income skills to make big money online. Hey, what's going on? It's Kevin J. Pino. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, I'd like to talk about affiliate marketing and getting an education on how to make money online and reviewing my favorite products and services that will help you do that. If you're interested in anything around those topics, make sure you grab the subscribe button and hit the bell notification so you never miss a video. We're going to dive right in. Number 1, lead generation. Lead generation is the ability to capture someone's attention that may be a potential customer, to build websites that'll drive them to you, to build advertisement that'll drive them to you, to capture their contact information in targeting them so you can get the right product and service in front of them. You want to be in front of people as much as you can. People want to buy. Why not buy from you? And they'll buy from you for specific reasons. If they know, like, and trust you, they will buy from you. So you need to develop your skills of getting in front of people and generating leads, building an email list. If you haven't invested in learning about email lists, you should. The next one, number 2, copywriting. I'm studying a book right now. I'll do a review later. Copywriting is the ability to write persuasively, not like writing a novel. We're not talking Stephen King stuff here. We're not talking about horror movies. But if you don't know copywriting, you'll be living a horror movie because you won't make any money. The ability to persuade people to take action is crucial in making any kind of money online, especially if you want to make big money online in affiliate marketing. You're going to need this for your capture pages, for calls to actions in websites, for calls to actions in your YouTube videos, like going down to the description right now and clicking on my number 1 recommendation to earn a full-time income online. Down there, the first link, check that out. It's a free video. You need to be able to write good copy to persuade people. Like I said, all of your content has got to be driving someone somewhere. So the ability to write it on paper, in text, and get them to actually click, to get them to buy, to sign up for a list, is going to drive them to make you profits. The third, coffee. Sales and presentation. The ability to sell someone, to talk to them one-on-one in a video, and to present them an offer, to give them something of value, and to put your best foot forward. These 3 skills take time to develop, and you need to practice them. Just like anything in life, if you want to be a musician, you're going to sound like crap for a long time. If you want to be a bodybuilder, you're going to be hurting for a long time, and you have to be consistent, and you need to learn skills. The best way to avoid the pain and frustration and headaches from going at it alone, to avoid that frustration of making your stomach ill and not getting any results, is to invest in education, to get a mentor, to get a coach, to follow some business plans and blueprints to help you learn these skills and develop them over time. You don't want to lose sleep over this thing. You want to take a little bit of your money and invest it in yourself in the beginning, and then start working and developing. Start making your videos, start writing your content, start putting your ads out, start building an email list. Make your mistakes. You're gonna learn from these things. So these 3 skills, these high income skills you need to learn, lead generation, copywriting, sales and presentation, are crucial. And again, go down in the description below. I'll leave a link to my number 1 recommendation to build a full-time income on the internet. There is a challenge there. It's a free video. Enter your email. I'll show you the video, introduce you to my mentor, show you how I got started, and it's only $7 to get started. Go check it out and make sure you subscribe for more content.